How to turn on privacy report on Brave browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on privacy report on Brave browser. So the first thing we do is you go to Brave. As you can see, this is the home page. Now you go down to those three dots here down below and click on them, and then go to settings, and after that you go down to privacy report. Click on it, and now you have the option to enable it or disable it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching till the end.